1st of July 2022, question 5. A figure below shows a compound steel beam to be used as a service duct. The steel beam is made up of 200 by 75 by 25 25,3 kg per meter channels. Immediately you come across something like that. Today I want to strategize these things. Now I believe that you can open your steel books quick, very, very quick. So now we are on this. I just want to do this. Let's take the data so that we can just fill in quick. So now we are still on what? On the two channels. That is what? 200 by what? By 75 by what? 25 3 kg per meter. We are on this one now. The data, we are on this number one. Under this, can we find area for that? We know that under channel is like this. Under channel, what do you need on the channel? You need to know the height of the channel. First, you will need to know the base of the channel, and you will need to know the size of AY of the channel. So now, under this, can we get the height? Can we get the AY? Can we get the base? So that we can just, when we are doing our stuff, we can just prostitute one way. Yes. So we are still on this according to the statement. We have two of these channels. The channels are facing each other, as you can see. Ne? They are equal. So open your steel book. Check what do you have. While I'm still checking the PDF of this. Remember, I used to have this steel book. Mama Tobile, hey, can someone send a screenshot?
Yes.
Okay. Can anyone send a screenshot of this beam to the group? I can't myself. I'm using a tablet, so I can't. If I exit here, it's gonna be a problem. All of us, Munene, are you there on the steel book? Lebu, we're gonna explain how you solving these problems. Don't worry, because you just joined. But you can, for the introduction of this, you can go to I think it's there. Yeah, we did the introduction in YouTube. You can just go through it. You go to page 302. You go and check the 200 by 75, which is the first is there, as you see here. 200 by 75. Here it is.
Yeah.
200 by 75. We go with it. We check the area. So please give me the answers so that we can. Let's start with the H. What do you see under H?
200. Red.
You are seeing what?
200.
So that 200 is going to be 200 millimeters. We know that is supposed to be in meters, ne? And then we need AY. AY is what?
20,1.
20,1. And then which is going to be 0,201 meters.
Yeah.
And then we have base. What is our base?
75
millimeters.
Yes.
75 millimeters, which is 0,075 meters. All these, what is a reference? This is found in a steel book. It's called, is that thing, BOE, I think it's 082, something like that. But you can say steel book, which is what? It's a red book that you're getting in the exam. It's a red book in color, something like that. So writing this information is important. This does not come from your head, just like that. We are done with that. Let's go to the other channel. The other channel is given as a 160 by 65 by 16 kg per meter. Let's start with the H, and then we go for AY. We go We didn't take the area, ne? Let's include the area on the first one. Sorry, let's get the area. What is the area?
3,218.
3,218 meter. That's 10. Is the 10 to the power something?
10 to the power -3.
-3 meters. Good. And then let's go to the second one. 160 by 65 by 16 comma 16 comma. Yeah, 16. Is there what? It's what? 160, 65, 65 comma 16. 16 is 16. You see there, it's number 4. 16,0. So what is the height there?
SJ, that channel is not in this book.
It is there.
You get 160 by 65 by 18.8.
Is it? Mama Towil, even in the book is not there.
160 by 65 by 19.
You don't have it there.
160 by 65 by 19 in that book.
Oh, you only get that one. That means there's something wrong. There is something wrong.
In my book it's 18.5.
And then in my book,
it's 18.8.
Yeah, in my book it's this. So, okay, you know what? For the sake of understanding, let's choose this one. And let's avoid that error, and then we're gonna use this one, because one way or another we must have a. Let's use this one of 18,8. It's fine. We can just say 18,8 there. 18,8. So that means it's what is the? Give me the height.
Is 160.
160 the height, ne?
Yeah.
Millimeters, which is 0.16 meters. And then the AY?
It's
2.4.
2.4. 2.4.
Mine is 18.4.
No, Mr. Shalin, can you read yours? It's not 18.4, ne?
Oh yeah, wait.
18.4. AY. Here it is.
18.4. 18.4 AU.
18.4. Good. And then if we convert it, the same thing is gonna be 0.8. Some I'm sure it's like this in meters. I'm not sure. You can rectify it. I don't have a calculator with me. Is it?
It's 0.
No, it's supposed to be 0.
0.0184.
Yes, 0.0. Yes, sorry, 0.0184. Yes. And then the other one, the base is gonna be what? 65 millimeters, gonna be 0.065 meters. And the area?
2,401.
2,401 times 10 to the power -3. So and then the other one is just this. This one it's easy. It's a plate. It's a rectangle. We good. But let's check the question. What does the question want? They said what? Include the self-weight of the beam. When they say include self-weight of the beam, we are considering this. This is the self-weight of the beams. Ne? Now they say what? The position of the neutral axis. Okay, include the self-weight of the beam and calculate the position of the neutral axis. Now we are going to draw our tables. Since but because you can use the other method. See if we will have the same answer, because he said this method is confusing him. It's not a problem at all. Oh, and again on this one we will come back and include something. Let me use another color. We short in one thing here. Remember the INA, the moment of inertia, which is represented by capital letter I. capital letter I. But on this I section, this one is about what? XX. And that means this one is going to be IXX. What is the value there on a book? 200 by 75 by 25,3. Check there, capital letter I on the right there, on the right side of your textbook is gonna be 19, what? 19,11. Eh? Do you see 19,11?
Yeah.
19,11. It's given 10 to the power negative 6 meters.
-6
To the power 4, ne? Meter power 4, ne? And the
Yeah.
other one, where is it? The other one, this one, I. But this channel, you can see this one. This one is about what? YY, ne?
Why?
Good. So it's
Yeah.
gonna be, you go where there's the Y, it's gonna be like IYY. Under Y, so it's gonna be what? It's gonna be on the other column. Here is
0.6249.
this one. You don't round it off, take it all. 0.5, this one. 0.58504. 8505.
Yes, sir.
You get it? Are we there?
Thank you.
Yes.
Actually,
Is that IYYASJ?
it has to be IYY because it's about this.
Okay.
Remember, this is about XX. Remember,
Yeah.
the position is not the same. It rotate. I told you you just rotate it. Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay, let's vamos. Step number 1, they said we must calculate what? We must calculate, I'm gonna squeeze this information. Number 1, they said we calculate what? The neutral axis, the position of the neutral axis. So this is what you're going to do. Position of the neutral axis. Remember, you return the information that you are referring these answers from the still book, ne?
Yeah.
Good. With my guy there, who since he does not understand these things, the method that we are using, he can just write according, but he's going to have a lot of numbers around his paper. So which is not a problem. So I just wanna, okay, fine. We can draw our table like this. We can draw our table like this. So we're gonna have our item. We can say this is number 1, and our channel. Okay, I mean, myself, I know this is times 2, but I prefer to do it separately. We're gonna have number 2 and 3. So sometimes, if you understand more, you multiply it by 2 because it's the same thing. But I prefer doing it separately, ne? And we're gonna have number 4. So we're gonna have what? Item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, and then we're gonna have the total there. The total is then. Then make sure you punch your answers. Please, you put your calculators. We want to have the same answers. Hey. Then we have area. That is the area. We're going to have a distance, which is a y distance because we are going up. And then we're going to have area multiplied by that distance that we have found. This distance. But if this distance is wrong, this one is wrong also. So let's start with number 1. Can you calculate the area for this? Remember, these are given in meters, so it's going to be what? 0.01 and 0.012. Punch it like that. Can you punch, all of you? Hurry up.
Clearing again, say.
Oh, ngeke waplayer njalo.
Serious.
Player,
That's yes.
mine is not blaring.
Yeah, so right.
You punch number 1. It's 100 by 12, which is 0.1 by 0. I will be punching 2. Let me find my calculator. Yes, found it. So it's gonna be what? It's gonna be 0.1 multiplied by 0.012. I'm getting 1,2 multiplied by 10 to the power negative 3 or 0, what?
Yes.
Or 0,0012. If you don't want to use that, you can use that one, that scientific format. And then we go for number 1, number 2, and then number 3. We said the area. Where's the area? There is the area. The area is this one. We said is this the area. The area we said it's what? It's 3,218 times what? 10 to the power negative 3. 3,21 multiplied by 10 to the power negative 3. Number 4, we are going to have the area, which is this one, which is going to be 2,407 by 10 to the power negative 3. Surprisingly, we can see that this was an error. Actually, this one, it's correct. It's a correct one because I'm checking the memo, and in the memo, they use a different method. That one, that Khonse is understanding more. They chose that 18.8 kg per meter. So we are correct now. We are good. So you can be able to refer when you are practicing. Can I get
that area for the last channel, isn't it 2,407?
Yeah, for the number 4, that is what I wrote.
Oh, 401.
Is it 401?
Yes, it's 1.
It's 1.
Yes, sir.
Oh, sorry, it's 1. Okay, it's 1. Can you give me the total? This plus this plus this plus this? Hurry up. Hurry up.
8,8382.
I'm not expecting one person to give me an answer. So we know that if one person make a mistake, then our job is to write. We're gonna have a problem. So read it again, Mr. Shelling, so that they can confirm.
8,8382.
Are we getting the same answers, all of us?
8,8442.
Don't round it off. You give me what you see in your calculator fully.
8,8442.
Munene, are you getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Lebu?
No.
Can punch what you see here.
I'm getting 10.037.
Did you restart your calculator, Chief?
Yes, I did.
Again and again and again.
Yeah.
Make sure you put brackets when you punch your things. Remember, your calculator give you what you want. That means if you punch nonsense, it's gonna give you nonsense. Mr. Shalin, can you read it again?
8,8382.
And then what are you getting? Because I'm punching my calculator here, I'm getting 0,010037. I don't know if I'm the one who's punching nonsense. I'm getting that, but I'm confirming it again.
Yes, I'm also getting that one. You get that when you press engineering.
Oh,
yes.
So it's the same. It's the same thing.
It's 10.0.
Yes.
So, but I heard you saying 8.
Because it's 10.0037.
Did you mention 8 there? I heard you saying 8 point something.
Yeah. That's adding it without multiplying it by the 10 to the negative 3.
Oh, I get it. So I get it. No problem. So which answer are we using here? Because we must have we must go with one. Okay, it's fine. Write both answers, ne? You're gonna choose for your own benefit. It's not a problem. You're gonna choose for your own benefit. So I'm gonna use this one because I'm the one who punched it. This is mine. That is a total area. Total area. We go for distance. We talked about distance. We know the neutral axis. We did N5, all of us. We know if we are going up, each needs a half of a distance. We're starting from, this is the height, which is 12. Our 12 is 0,012. What is the half of 0,12? The half of this. Lebo, do you remember N5, what you were doing from the centroid?
Yes, I do.
So that means the number one is going to be, half of 12 is going to be 0,0, is it 006, ne?
Yeah.
Yes. Number two, we're going to say, we remember, we know our height for this one. We said our height, it's 200. 200 our height. So we need to know from here. We need to know from here to here. So it's going to be 12 plus 200 divided by 2. What is the answer? One one two, ne?
0,112.
0,112. And then even this one is the same, ne?
Yes.
And then you see that's what they multiply by 2. So the area is going to be times 2, but here it remains the same. It is the same. So we're going to go up. Now, on this, what did I say about the channel that is sitting on the base like this? There's a T1 here. It's not the same as it's like this. I gave you those notes.
H plus AY.
It's going to be what?
Is it H plus AY?
Oh. I even opposed the end. I just noticed now when Mr. Shalin is giving the answer on the drawing. This AY is from it's here is the distance from here to here, not the other way around. So, what is it that you're going to do? You are going to here from here to here. So it's gonna AY. It's on top. So that means we need to know from here to here. It's going to be 12 plus 200 plus that, ne?
Yeah.
Yes. The only thing that will make you get wrong is to mix these channels. These channels are not the same. These channels are not the same. Give me the answer quick. Give me the answer quick.
0,2304. 2304.
2304. And then this, you don't look for distance. Good. What is it that you're going to do now? You take this, you multiply with this to get the answer this side. This multiply by this to get the answer this side. This multiply by this, you get the answer this side. Like that, to get the answer this side. And then you plus everything to get the total here. Please, I'm just going to give you 3 minutes to do that. We must have the same answers. I'll be punching also. Quick.
Yeah.
Quick. You don't round it off. You round off the final answer. What I'm getting myself here, I'm getting 1,281,12224 times 10 to the power negative 3. On the decimal numbers, it's gonna be 0,001281224. Four hours is too small, people, in the examination, so you must be quick.
What are you getting, SJ?
I'm getting this.
Is it 1,28?
Why rounding it off? Yeah. You will confirm. I said we all make mistakes. So I want everyone to confirm. Hence I'm quiet. We all make mistakes, so I just want everyone to confirm what they are getting. Munana, what do we have? Munene. You what?
They're not going to kick me out.
You are lying. Why is he kicking you out when you are calculating something?
It was before. It was blurry and then it just kicked me out. I just re-entered right now.
So is your network is your problem, eh? Even uma Thobile complain nge-network, hayi bo, skipani. Iyahlaba le question ne? I'm getting the same answer. I was punching it again. So no one is getting the same answer as I'm getting.
I'm getting 1,274,0296.
Did you round it off somewhere here?
No.
What about here?
No, I took it as it is.
What about here?
No, it's the same.
Serious, Mr. Shaling, I've been... okay, it's fine. Oh, your calculator. Maybe you have set it to this one. I don't know. But yeah, as long as it's 1,282 something, but we'll see what we're getting finally. I just want to confirm from other people. Because wow. Okay, otherwise it's fine. They will confirm because of time. Lebu, what are you getting? Awubathi.
No, I'm saying I was not writing. I was just listening so that I can understand.
Oh, okay. Should I continue with my it's fine. They will confirm. Mr. Shelling, let's continue. Hey, this
Okay.
people. The neutral axis, the formula is that the sum of what? Area multiplied by distance divided by the sum of area. We're going to have 1,28. You can use your values there, Mr. Shelling.
Okay.
Divided by what? 0,010037. And then what is the answer here? I'm getting 0,127 127 like that. We can just take it to decimal place. 12765. Myself, I didn't say it's right. Maybe I punched something wrong, but let me hear from Mr. Shelling. What is the answer, Mr. Shelling, there?
Okay, with my values, I'm getting 0,144.
That's far away. That's very far. That is very, very, very far. But let me confirm something again. Because we are getting 1,2812224 times 10 to the power negative 3 divided by 0,01. No, the right answer is this one for me.
Okay.
It's 127.
Mama Tobi, we are told Mama Tobi.
Yeah, 127.65.
Good, that is in millimeters. You are correct. The one in the memo is wrong.
Yes.
Because the other values are correct. We are getting the same answers. So the final answer is wrong. We are going to the second stage now, ne? Because they say we must calculate what?
Which one is wrong, sir?
No, this the one from the memo, like from their memorandum.
Oh, okay.
We are calculating what? Second moment of area, which is given by this formula. Ixx must be equals to moment of inertia plus the sum of that, the sum of area h squared. So let's start with it with the table thing. Okay. We have INA, which is represented by capital letter I, and then we have H, where we are looking for H by taking my bar minus a distance. We're going to say area from the first one multiplied by what? H squared, the one that we'll get here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the final answer.
Okay.
Good. Let's start with number one. Number one, we know that when we are dealing with a rectangle or a square, our formula for is going to be base cubic divided by 12. So let's substitute. If you have a base, which is our base, our height, from these values, you have what you're given, what 100. Is it 100 or 160? Oh, did I said 160 here or 100 on my from my side? I think I made a mistake here. Oh, I made a mistake there. I made a mistake here, ne? On the area. I just saw it now. That's why we are our answers in the memorandum is wrong. But no, let's not erase anything. It's fine. Let's work it as 100. It's okay, ne? Because we've already changed it. I see. Because I'm noticing it now when I'm checking on the sketch. So it's fine. Let's take it as our base. So these are the things that we have. Our height is gonna be 12. So you just take these values, you prostitute here, just like that. Our base is 100. Our height is 12. So it's like you have 12 and 12. This cancel this. You are left with 100 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 12. So what is the answer there on number 1? What is the answer on number 1?
Is it in meters?
Yeah, it must be in meters. Don't forget we are using 100 there because I made a mistake.
Those values for the plate ST, are they in meters or millimeters?
They must be. Those ones are millimeters.
Okay, then it's 144,000.
Yeah, okay, fine. You will go and redo this thing, ne? And then you put 160 here. You see, applying exactly what we are doing. See if you'll get the accurate answers from the memo, ne? And then number two, you go to still book. I think we already have those things. Number 1, we got what? You see that 19.11 there, you see? $19.11. So this one is just going to write the 19 point. That one is IXX from the still book. 19.11 times 10 to the power negative 6. This is the same because we splitted them like that. And then we go for the channel that is upside down. That one is gonna be what? Opposite, which is going to be 0, it's gonna change. It's gonna be 0, what? We've chosen that. Did we choose the right one?
At 0.8505.
Yeah, it's 0.8505.
Yes, we chose the right one as 0.850, 10 to the power negative 6. Can I get the total here? If someone give us the wrong answer, you say no, quick. That's not what you are getting. Don't be surprised alone there. Your voice must go viral too. You are on YouTube.
So do we only apply multiplied by 2 power negative 6
You punch
and the
what?
other 3 on the 14,4?
You punch what? No. This one is just like that.
$53.47.
Sorry, Mama Tobir.
53.47.
53. And then what are you getting? You the others. Others, what are you getting?
53.470.
Come again.
53.4705.
53705. Charlene,
Yes,
what are you getting?
53.47.
And then Munene? Munene. When,
I'm still punching.
what are you punching? You want to kill it like you've been punching, eh? We are waiting for your confirmation.
SJ, what was your Y bar in the meantime?
Why buys this?
0.12765.
What? You getting 53 of what here?
53.47.
I'm getting 14. I'm getting 14.0. 14.4. What? Evana. Let's wait for Bunani to confirm.
53.7.
I'm the one who's punching things. 53 point what?
47.
4. Did you put those 10 to the power negative 6?
Yeah.
So this one is just like that. Doesn't it have 10 to the power something? Munen. You press answer, don't say you erase it. So it's fine. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. You'll fix it when you are practicing. It's okay. Now we go here. Here, what do? You just take the Y bar, that value, which is 0.12765 minus the distance there. The distance is 0, the first, 0.006. What is the answer? The first one. The first one.
It's 121.65.
0.1.
What was you getting SJ for the I column?
The other one is 0.01565. I think this one is going to be the same. The last one is negative, but you don't write the negative. You don't have a negative distance. Now, what do? You're going to take the area value there. You multiply with this as exactly as it is. You just take those values. You substitute from the formula as it is. As it is. I'm expecting to hear the final answers here. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Level, do you get it? Level, do you get it?
The what?
The things that we are doing, do you get it?
Yeah, I'm writing notes.
Charlene,
Yes.
what's up?
Last one. SJ, when you multiply these things, do you have to multiply it with the 10 to the power negative 6?
You punch what you have already written, I say. Hurry up, hurry up. TikTok. They will remain. They will confirm after. I'm waiting for you, Mr. Shelling. I know you are fast.
Mine is 2,437.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you see, I never add the 10 to the negative 6 because the value was coming too big.
You press engineering, reduce it. But it's fine. Give me what you have there.
2,437.
If it's wrong, no, don't worry. There's not 10 to the power something, eh?
No.
Then it's fine. It's fine because I'm just doing it for you guys to understand. Now you're going to have what? You're going to say, okay, fine. Therefore, the final answer is going to be like that. IXX total is going to be what? 53 according to what you gave me. 53 plus 53 like 47 plus what? 2,437. This is what you gave us. And then what is the answer after that?
It's 55,907.
55,907.
Yeah.
To the power negative, to the power meters, to the fourth root, to the power 4. To the power 4. And the question says, calculate number 3. Okay, let me just come here. Number 3. Calculate what the uniformly distributed load that the beam can safely withstand. What is it that is given? We are given the maximum bending stress. The stress in construction. The stress is represented by what? By F, ne? It's F, which is given as what? This is 151 MPa it's given, and they said that the density is given as what? As a 78 50. Okay, fine. What is it that you have to do here? We only find out the UDL. Remember the formula that I taught you then? I said on the Bmax falls under Bmax. You can see that on a concrete when you're doing it, whereby you have something like this. They are different.
Over 8, divide by 8.
Divided by 8. There are a lot of formulas that you can use. Then N5, you had this method. You have this formula Bmax divided by IXX equals to what? Stress divided by what? Divided by Y bar. You remember this formula from N5?
Yes.
So now, what is it that you are looking for here? You can't calculate the. You need to look for the what? For the Bmax. You need to calculate for the. You need to calculate for the Bmax. Therefore, it's gonna take you back to this part. Remember this. It's gonna take you to this part. Fine. Let's start with this. So, if you make the subject, this one, the subject of the formula is gonna be what? Bmax equals to it's gonna be equals to what? IXX multiplied by F stress divided by Y bar, ne?
Yeah.
Yes.
Good. Now, if you prostitute using that, what is our IXX? We said according to our calculations, if we are wrong, you're gonna see when you are redoing this thing. We got that, and then our stress is 151, and then we divide by Y bar is 0,12765. 12. Yes. What is the answer? What is the answer? And then remember here, when you come out, you are talking about the UDL.
For 437.971.
For what?
It's 437.971.
437 point what?
0.971.
5971.
971.
No, 97 comma 597.
No, it's 437.971, not 5. 971. Yeah.
kilonewtons by meter, and then that is gonna help us. But we now they said we must include the self weight of the beams. So we start with the channel. We have two channels now. The channel, which channel are we talking about? That one we have 18,8 kg by meter. Ne? Remember, these, if they say kg per meter, it's like this, kg divided by meter. Ne? So now, what is it that we have to do for you to convert kg to force? You are going to say, okay, fine, I have that. That means it's going to be what? I'm going to multiply that by what? 9.81. Remember that thing, ne? 9.81. What is the answer for that channel? And the channel 2, whereby you're going to have what? What was it? 25,3. 25,3. Yes, it's gonna be what? 25,3 by 9.81. You give me the answer. What is the answer for number one?
184.43.
180.
4.43.
43. Convert it to press engineering. This one is in Newton per meter, so it's in Newton per meter. And then remember, this one is in kilonewtons, so it's gonna be what? 0,8184 in kilonewtons per meter. Eh? So the other one is gonna be what? This one.
248.193.
Is it what?
248.
Times by 2. Because remember, you have two channels that are equal. Eh? Times that answer by 2.
Answer by 2, okay.
496.
SJ, after you multiply those things, you have to press engineering to convert it.
You can just divide by 1,000, you know, from kilonewtons, from newtons to kilonewtons. You can press engineering twice or something. That depends on where do you want your answer to be.
Because when I multiply it just like that, it's 496.39.
86.
Because okay, if you want you don't want to convert it, you can just say this 18,8 by what 9.81 by what 10 to the power negative 3. This is a conversion. You get my point?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Okay, then on this one, you don't multiply the answer by 2. On this one, you remember you said you have two channels. That means you're gonna have 2 kg weight of the self weight of the beams. That means this 25 is gonna be 25,3 times 2 is gonna be what? Times 2 is gonna be 50. Yes, it's gonna be 50.6 times 10 to the times 9,81 10 to the power negative 3. You'll get a specific answer. You don't times the answer because it's gonna be a problem. It's wrong in that way.
Still the same, 496.386.
Is it?
Yeah, 50.3, 50.6.
So it's gonna be it's the
It's
same as
49. Yes,
0.496, ne?
Yes.
Yes, kilonewtons per meter. Good. Now, for the plate, what do you do on the plate? Because it's a self weight of the beam. You are given the density. The density from the density of what? What is it? You are given the density of steel. The density of which is given 7850 kg cubic meters. What do you do? You are going to take. You need to do this. You do this. On the plate, you're going to say, remember the self weight of the beam. You're going to take that density, 50. You multiply it with the length. We said it's 100 for us. Now it's 160. And you multiply it with what? 0.012. And then you convert it now. 9.81 times 10 to the power negative 3. This is what was doing. So it's in the area. And then it's going to be. Remember, the that look, this is what we have. It's 7850 kg divided by cubic meters. When remember our area it's squared, ne? This one. So this cancel this. You are left with what? With meter. That was your answer. It's what? It's gonna be in what? In kilonewtons per meter. Because you already have 9.81 there. You understand why?
Yeah.
So what do you get there on the plate? 7850 times the area of the plate, which is given there, which is what? The area of the plate, which is 0,0012 multiplied by 9.81 times 10 to the power negative 3. It's given as I'm getting 0.9, 0.0,
Two.
0.092. Yes, it's gonna be kilonewtons per meter. Good. Therefore, you combine everything, the total self weight, because they say we must calculate the self weight of the beam. Self weight is gonna be what? It's gonna be 0.092 plus what? Plus the one that we got this side as 0.496 plus what? What is the top? What the first one? Where is it? 0.184. What is the answer? The total is gonna be what? 0.092 plus 0.496 plus 0.184, and then I'm getting
0.77.
That is your total self weight of the beam. We are going to the last second step. Now we are calculating what? The UDL. The question said what? Yeah. We had 3 questions. 18 marks for that. You sweat. Now, what do? You calculated the UDL. So now you come back to this formula. Bmax that you calculated is going to be WL squared divided by 8 plus WL squared divided by 8. Remember that thing, ne? You still remember?
Yes.
On the specifications, we are given the span of what? The span of what? 6.75 meters. They said the steel beam is expected. Steel beam is expected to span a distance of 6.75. Okay, good. What do? You're going to substitute now. You know your Bmax. What was our Bmax? Our Bmax, we got what? 4 according to 4.37, what? 971. That is our Bmax. We come this side. What do you get? The self weight of the beam. It's a UDL. The UDL. Remember, we are looking for the one here, the steel, ne? The UDL. Something that I need to check here. This was a very long lesson, ne? There's something that is missing here. So it's gonna be what? We're gonna have what? 0.772 by the span. The span is what? 75 squared divided by 8 plus the W, which is unknown. We have to find it. This one you're gonna find it. The span is the same. Squared divided by 8. You can solve this. Now that will be your final answer. I want to see if people get it right. Thank you very much, people. Ne? For that, you get your 18 marks. I hope